Okay, let me stop, man. I did it. I did it, y'all. Okay. Don't do it, girl. I ain't gonna do it. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know I look crazy right now, but as y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what I'm doing. So right now, y'all can tell how my hair is. I just already prepped my hair to be braided down and stuff. Y'all, my hair is growing back. When I tell y'all, like, my hair have fallen out so bad. Y'all go back to my last previous video. Y'all can see I had a lot of hair, but it fell out due to low iron and stuff. I learned my lesson. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all get your iron levels checked. But that ain't why we're here. Make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. I know I got these same clothes on from the previous video that y'all seen, but that's okay because hey, I'm on my grind and I'm trying to be more consistent. So right now I'm gonna be installing this wig that I got. Also, I got this wig from Amazon. I don't know the company that I got it from. I don't know the company that I got it from. So yeah. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be braiding my hair down into 2 braids. Yeah, I'm gonna braid down into 2 braids. It don't matter how your braid is, as long as you get the braids up there. So yeah. Braids ain't really tight, they loose. They don't need to be super duper tight. And my face looks shiny as ever. So yeah. Don't need to braid that to the end because when I take it down, I ain't trying to be struggling. As y'all can see, I got my 2 braids. Okay, got my 2 braids in. Okay, so I had to unplug my phone. Okay, so this is the first thing I do. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug up these flat irons. Blow dry and stuff. So now I'm gonna get my wig, y'all. This was a middle part. This is the wig right here. This was a middle part, but I turned it to a side part, as y'all gonna see. So yeah, let's put it on. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Looks stupid. Okay. So right now I'm gonna tighten this bad boy up. I don't know, y'all. Is this stupid? So this is my side part. Maybe when I fix it up, it'll look a little bit more better. I don't know. Yeah, I be trying, never did this before. Only with the middle part, I never tried no side part. Let's see. But it is gotta be out. Okay. Boom. Now. Don't even look like I need no glue. But I'm gonna glue it down just because. Yeah, look like I need no glue. So I'm not gonna put no glue on because y'all can't even really. I got it down so tight. Look at it. I mean, I just made this part before I get on here, so I don't need no glue because you can barely tell. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is move out this stuff. I'm finna go ahead and okay, let me stop playing. But for it, I'm gonna go ahead and ouch, curls be hurting. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth this down or whatever. I'm trying to think. Okay. Waxy. So I'm gonna put some wax up here so it can lay down. I ain't got no what's the call this? What's the thing called? Help me, y'all. Help me out. What is it called? Straightener. Hair straightener. To go in the other thing. So I gotta use the top of these flat irons. So, let's see. I need to make sure it's up high as it can go. Which it is 30. So I'm just doing this top so it can lay down. Ouch. Okay. And I know some of y'all probably like, you don't have no baby hairs, but me personally, I ain't too big on baby hairs. So yeah. Oh, wait a minute. So I want to pull it up like this a little bit. Or maybe I do. Just watch me work. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling with the water bottle. Okay. Just put some water in my water bottle. Spray water for my hair. Okay. this is how it's looking right now. So as y'all can see, we got the water things going on. I'm trying to find a way to style this. I think I should just keep it down like this. Cause y'all know I did. What's it called? So this is how it's looking. And good thing about it, I didn't even plug this. I just parted it. And you see how it looks like, oh yeah. So, yes. Let me just move that out my face. I don't know, I want to do something with it. Y'all see how it's in my face? I'm gonna do something with it, like, I don't know. What the world? And what I wanna do with it, it ain't happening like I want it to. Yeah, maybe I need to put some glue on this. It keep moving. I don't know, maybe I just did something. I don't know, y'all. But this is how I do. I don't think I like this. Hell no. Nah, I don't like that. Maybe I like this. I don't know. Maybe I don't. Maybe I do. No. I don't know, y'all. I'm just finna leave it like this. Okay, maybe if I do it like a little like this, okay? I just got the fucking perfect idea. Y'all. Okay. Let me do it. Okay. Let me do it. Hold on. Let's put this in on her. I just got the freaking perfect idea. Okay. A swoop gal. A swoop gal. Talk to me now, yeah. Girl, please, okay? I don't even know what. I did it, y'all. Alright. Don't do it, girl. I ain't gonna do it. Guess what? I did it. Okay, y'all, so I wish I had a little pen to go right there. Oh, this is up. Maybe I should have plugged it a little more so it can be a little more open. But I'm gonna leave it like that for right now. So this is how the back is looking. And yeah, y'all already know how it's gonna look when it's dry. Wait a minute. I gotta take off. Let me do this real quick. Boom. Booyah. So, get y'all up close and personal. As y'all can see, this is how I did it. Y'all see it what I'm talking about? I did a little swoop thingy thing. Y'all, I am so proud of myself. Like, I look so different. Wait till I put my lashes and stuff on. Ooh. Okay, yeah, for real. Yeah, this is like my first time doing this, so yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. Make sure y'all give the video a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe and turn your post notifications on because I'm so excited right now. And if I'm excited, y'all excited, okay? Okay, but for real though, y'all, I love it. Like, I just started doing more things like this for myself because honestly, I don't do nothing. And I love this right here. It's so cute and it's so, I look different. You know what I'm saying? I need to do something for my eyebrows. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because y'all definitely finna. Oh, okay. I see what's got to happen now. But anyway, yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all go ahead and do that for me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.